Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, is brought to you by Amsoil, the first in synthetics. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. And by Forney Industries, innovating since 1932, we are welding.
Thanks for hanging out here in Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. You know, there's a lot of car care products out there, and trying a new one means a big commitment. But at Glovebox, Brad, you guys make it a lot easier to try new products. How do you do it?
Yeah, so being a detailer myself, it's very hard to get through the chaos of the car care world. Whether you're buying online or you're going in the store, you don't really know exactly what you should be buying, or you don't want to break the bank by doing that. So over 5 years ago, we started Glovebox, and which is a monthly subscription box where we curate, deliver, and teach subscribers how to use premium car care products. We introduce them to products they might have heard. We introduce them to products they might not have tried or never heard of before. And we do that every month by giving them 3 to 4 liquids, tools, and towels to complement those liquids so they can form real life opinions on what they like.
You go to gloveboxdetail.com, and that's how you subscribe to this box, and it's monthly?
Exactly. Every month, this will show up at your doorstep or in front of your garage or at your shop.
In the 5 years you've been doing this, what have you learned about car care products?
Well, we've learned a lot. I mean, we've learned the good and the bad. And one of the things we learned is that we are shipping a lot of water. So we wanted to come up with a way where we're keeping shipping costs down. We are making dilutions perfect. We are also making it fun for the end user. So we came up with Glovebox RX, which is a concentrate cartridge system that you get this starter kit that has 4 bottles, 4 sprayers, 4 cartridges, and 4 towels. And essentially what that is you get an empty bottle, and then you fill it up to this fill line with water.
You ship the empty bottle and everything you need with it.
Exactly. And then all you do is pop in the cartridge, put in your sprayer, that's also included, turn the top, and watch the magic happen.
Oh, that is cool.
Perfectly diluted glass cleaner. And when you're done with this, to save on plastic, you are not buying the bottle and the sprayer again. All you are doing is replacing with the refill cartridges, and you're ready to go.
It is a revolution in car care products. Saves a lot of space too. You don't have all those bottles taking up space on your shelves. You can find all of this at gloveboxrx.com. Oh, by the way, a special discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers, keyword Motorhead. When you go to their website, you get a 20% discount.
Spark plugs can tell you a lot about what's going on inside of your engine. Welcome to this Amsoil Tech Tip. We're going to talk about spark plug gapping and reading spark plugs. Let's start out with gapping. Well, it's important to gap a spark plug because a spark plug has to deliver the spark inside your cylinder under harsh conditions, and this gap has to be proper. Now, there's 2 ways. You can use a wire feeler gauge like this, go in there and gap it, and also you want to gap it first when you install it, and or if it's wear for a while, go ahead and set that gap. And then you can use one like this. You go through there, follow your manufacturer's specification for gapping a spark plug. Now, important part is reading that spark plug. When you pull it out, you can see right here, there's a normal, there's one with pre-ignition right there. Now that's advanced timing, it's way hot, that's gonna be a hot condition. Mechanical damage, something hit the spark plug, and then you have the carbon fouling. Carbon fouling's usually a rich condition. Oil fouling, you're getting oil into that cylinder. Now check out the 2 there, overheating and torch seat. Think about that, overheating, torch seat, and pre-ignition is all because of heat and heat-related things going on inside of that cylinder. Now whether it's a car or a 2-stroke cycle, heat's gonna happen in that cylinder. Isn't that right, Len?
That's correct, and you know, we're looking at a string trimmer here, and you'd be surprised at how hot these things actually get. You wouldn't think about it, it's just a small piece of lawn and garden equipment, but the spark plug temperatures on these things can exceed 500 degrees F. And when we get to those temperatures, deposits become, likely. So you want to make sure that you're getting an additive in your fuel, and for that one, it would be the Amsoil Quick Shot. Mix it in per the directions on the back, depending on the fuel tank size, and it'll help minimize any deposits on piston crowns, combustion chambers, your spark plugs, and the ringlands.
If you've ever been in the hot Florida sun trying to start one of these things, that's an awesome tech tip. So get you a little Quick Shot. Put it in your 2-strokes for cars as well. Make sure you check them out on the website at amsoil.com.
We are sure glad you came along for the ride with us today here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. If you have a product, something cool like this you want to see on the show, email me, dave@motorheadgarage.tv. We'll get you here in our studio. From our entire crew here in our DragonfireTools.com studio, we'll see you next time at Motorhead Garage.